Nifty hits new all-time high. Will volatility dominate as Fed rate cut looms? Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs are now placed at 25,129.60 and 82,810.18 respectively. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty's string of gains continued for the 9th straight day and most importantly, closed above 25,000 mark for second straight day. But this Thursday morning, GIFT Nifty is treading water, indicating a choppy and rough session. Blame it on US tech stocks which were sliding, in particular in overnight trade ahead of the semiconductor company Nvidia's latest financial results. Long story short, Nvidia has mostly taken the air out of the room, but markets could also move on economic data. Volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1348 crores while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 440 crores. Risky sentiments shall prevail for benchmark Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.95 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook, choppy waters. Nifty will struggle for direction. Caution advised. Nifty, CMP to 5052. Support, 24,000 to 24,900. Resistance, 25,100 to 25,200. Range, 24,900 to 25,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51144. Support, 51,000 to 50,800. Resistance, 51,300 to 51,500. Range, 50,800 to 51,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. All eyes will be on Reliance Industries, RIL, which is seen trading flat ahead of the company's 47th Annual General Meeting, AGM, scheduled for Thursday, 29 August 2024, at 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Our call of the day suggests that the biggest positive catalyst continues to be the stage which is set for the long-awaited Federal Reserve rate cuts to finally begin from 18 September. But there are big questions. 1. Is the Fed rate cut a done deal? 2. The street will also be eager to know how big the first cut might be. 3. Will the Fed cut again in November? Or will they pause after the September rate cut? Well, the Fed funds traders are seen placing a 68% chance of a 25 basis point cut and a 32% chance of a 50 basis point cut. Strictly speaking, the Fed continues to insist they will remain data dependent and there is plenty more to come even before the next FOMC announcement on 18 September. Well, the Fed outcome on 18 September will depend on the 3 inflation reports and 1 US employment report on 6 September. So, commanding attention will be the US Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge to trickle on 30th August. Long story short, volatility could be the hallmark in the remaining 2 trading sessions of the week.